Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today it's special for me. I'm really excited for this install that I'm gonna do. I've waited so long for the parts that I purchased for my Honda Odyssey. But before anything else, we'll do a quick unboxing for the parts. And don't you worry guys, I'll also put the link down in the description where I purchased these parts. And I'm pretty sure the Odyssey will look mad. Things that you need for this install will be a pair of scissors, a battery operated Phillips screwdriver or just a manual screwdriver, sets of screws, double-sided tape, mounting tape, and a black spray paint. Black spray paint, I only use it just to give these screws another cover to prevent it from rust. First step we need to do is give the area a little bit of clean. Since I'm gonna do an install for a mirror cover, I'll clean the mirror cover and also the front lip, the underneath of the bumper. Just a quick wipe for the mounting tape to stick, and then screw it tightly with your screw fasteners as well. This is a 3-piece splitter. So what I'll do, I'll put a double-sided tape before screwing them together. Just doing a quick test fit before putting the mounting tape and the rest of the screws. Fits perfectly. Now I'm gonna remove it again put a double-sided tape, then finally screw it all up.